RevitaLash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner is a breakthrough, category-leading eyelash enhancer that features high-impact, proprietary technology for dramatic-looking eyelashes. Our unique biopeptin complex fortifies lashes with powerful peptides, enriching biotin and antioxidant green tea extract to condition, strengthen, and soften eyelashes while defending against damage. Apply a thin line of RevitaLash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner once each day. Apply directly on the lashes above the lash line. Our unparalleled lash enhancing serum was created by an ophthalmologist who spent years developing the perfect product that was both safe and results driven. 98% of participants in an independent consumer study reported healthier looking lashes, stronger lashes, and improved overall lash appearance. Our award-winning physician-developed lash conditioner addresses the visible signs of eyelash aging. Cruelty-free and vegan-friendly RevitaLash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner is also a highly responsible product that is focused on enhancing your natural beauty without fragrance, parabens, phthalates, or gluten. And because it doesn't contain oil, it's perfectly safe to use with and in preparation of eyelash extensions or strip eyelashes. RevitaLash Cosmetics. Always imitated, never duplicated.